Are you trying to choose between AMP futures and interactive brokers? You're not alone. Many traders wonder which platform is better for their needs. Both AMP futures and interactive brokers offer powerful trading tools. They serve different type of traders, but they both aim to provide a smooth trading experience. Let's start with AMP futures. This platform focuses on futures trading. It's user friendly and offers a range of markets. AMP futures is known for its fast execution and low commissions. It's a great choice for those who want to trade futures without a lot of hassle. Now, let's look at interactive brokers. This platform is much broader. It allows trading in stocks, options, futures, and more. Interactive Brokers is well known for its advanced tools and research options. It's perfect for serious traders who need detailed insights and analytics. So, what are the key differences? M Futures is simpler and ideal for futures traders. Interactive Brokers offers more variety and complexity. If you want to trade different asset classes, Interactive Brokers is the way to go. When it comes to features, AMP Futures provides a straightforward interface and quick access to futures markets. Interactive Brokers, on the other hand, has a robust trading platform with many research tools and educational resources. Now, let's talk about pricing. AMP Futures usually has lower fees for futures trading. Interactive brokers can be more cost effective for traders who want to trade multiple asset classes. In the end, if you're focused on futures, AMP Futures is a solid choice. If you want a wide range of options and advanced tools, go for interactive brokers. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more content like this.